There are two types of dermabrasion. The classic medical dermabrasion that I lovingly refer to as medical diamond dermabrasion. Why? Well, basically dermabrasion's been around since time immemorial. And it basically is what you do in woodwork class. And you create a cabinet, it's rough, and then you use a file and you basically plane it down. And you can do that with the skin. And that's this convenient thing called a Dremel. And instead of using a big unwieldy Dremel that you get at a hardware store and spinning it, you can plane down wood, concrete, ceramics, glass, etc. With a medical diamond dermabrasion, we basically use a medical Dremel attached to any number of various diamond-shaped heads of various grits, just like sandpaper. And we can plane down irregularities in the skin. You have to be careful. You have to learn the signposts, if you will, of the various depths of the skin. Each depth, as you get deeper, has a different color to it, and you have to know when to stop. And so you want to get to the papillary dermis, sometimes the reticular dermis, but no more. Otherwise, you're going to get a scar. And the whole point is, as the question's been phrased to me, is that can medical diamond dermabrasion help scars? Yes. You use it carefully under loupe magnification, just like those magnifying glasses that jewelers use. We have it in surgery. And we use it to plane down carefully the scar, remodeling it. Not to be confused with microdermabrasion that you get in med spas, etc. And basically that's like blowing sand crystals. And it's good for maintenance and just to feel good about yourself, etc. It gives you a nice little glow. But they're incomparable. So hope this helps to answer the question. Does medical diamond dermabrasion help scars? Yes. It includes also helping, the best thing in my experience in smoker lines, helping reshape the nose. Anything sebaceous, skin that is very sebaceous, you can actually remodel it and improve pores, etc. Have a good night.